Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past, so that is where this green line here is coming from, representing the support level at 12 cents. And from that point of view, so far so good. The price not only held above it earlier this morning, you can see hovered right around that area, but then that was also as kind of the little miniature launch point that got the price moving to the upwards direction. So point being, 12 cents is that level that you would want to see act as support, and so far so good. It continues to act as support. So from that point of view, everything is acting as you want to see it. And then on the flip side of things, nothing really shocking here. And I say that because that pink line there represents the 200 period moving average on my chart. And even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened here. You can see it got rejected and pretty much spent the entire afternoon hovering right there below. Now, I'm not saying that that means that, the price can never ever get up above the 200 period moving average. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle right at that area, and that'll definitely be public enemy number one going forward. So keep a very close eye on that 200 period moving average, as that'll be the main battleground. That was weakened up a little bit because the price temporarily got up above it, but overall the price never could quite manage to stay up above it. Therefore, that would still be that main level of resistance. But in the event the price can push up through there, let's map out the next key battleground. And that next key battleground would be right up there at the 13-cent mark. So 13 cents, next key battle, but one battle at a time. And, first got to get taken care of that 200 period moving average. All in all, though, nice, interesting afternoon. Nice little pickup in volume here. Still work to be done, but, all bigger moves have to start somewhere. So, yeah, let's see if this is the start of something bigger or not. Still 3 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.